Hi guys, so I'm sitting now in a Perdua Kansho, which is Malaysia's version of a rebadged Daihatsu mirror, a K car, a Japanese K car from the 90s. So what I'm going to do to this car today is to perform a DIY air conditioning cooling coil service. So I'm going to clean out the cooling coils DIY style. Now this car suffers from a very dirty cooling coil because it hasn't got a cabin filter attached to it. So as you can imagine, all the dust goes directly onto the cooling coil, and hence over the period of 20 years now, 20 odd years, all the dust has kicked up on the cooling coil. But more importantly, what I'm going to do today is to teach you how to achieve an 80% result as compared to going to an air conditioning specialist, but performed at approximately maybe like 10% of the cost. So for about, in Malaysia, $4 I can do this DIY service, as opposed to sending it to an aircon specialist who would charge me about $30. So I'm going to show you next is the condition of the cooling coil. It's a bit dirty. Now, the cooling coil, I paused the video for a while just now, but the cooling coil is located under the passenger side dashboard. There are some holes here. Let me try and get it. There it is. Here. Sorry about the video. Here. I'm not sure if you can see it. There. Now, that is the cooling coil. That's the cooling coil at the back. Right. As you can see, all the dirt, and dust, and all sorts of nice mold and bacteria is all kicked up on it. So I'm going to show you a before now, and we'll move to an after all the cleaning, and you can see the difference. So what I need today is this. So you can buy this from car accessory shops or local hardware stores. Just a pressurized can air conditioner cleaner. So it's a chemical cleaning agent, which is safe for your air conditioning. And I've prepared a pan here as well, with a white paper towel in the middle, just to show you the dirty water that comes out through the drain hole. Let's move on to it. Now, first of all, I need to start the car for about 10 minutes, let it run, let the air conditioning run, and then we'll move on from there. Okay, so the car has been running now for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to put this pan below the car. So where you see the water spot there? So where the air conditioning condensation comes out. There you go. Okay, I'm going to switch the car off now and spray the chemical into the cooling coils. So first, this can, I need to shake it. Okay, so this thing, I've shaken it for 2 minutes approximately. Comes with this flexible straw. Right, what we're going to do is attach the flexible straw. Oops, sorry, it's a bit difficult to do this with one hand. Okay. I'm going to attach the flexible straw, as you can see, the tip of it into this hole over here. Okay, now that it's in, we're going to use the straw to reach deep into the cooling coils. same place over there. So I'm going to use this tip and stick it in there. Okay, so I've stuck the straw in, and as you can see, this white thing is straw there. I'm going to press the can and let the foam out. Ooh. There. So I've sprayed it all the way till the foam comes out from the intake vent. We're just going to wipe off the excess. Okay, this is the result after half an hour. I've let the foam sit for half an hour, and well, it still looks quite dirty, but certainly cleaner than what it was before. So this is not a completely clean 100% service, but it's good enough to achieve like 70-80% of what the proper service is at the specialist, and especially considering the cost, which is like only $4 it's worth doing. And I've tried the air conditioning. It's certainly a lot colder than before as well, so good luck.